You must have heard about antioxidant foods, right? They offer many health benefits and are linked to the good functioning of human body cells. Also, they avoid the effects of stress and premature aging. Did you know that? If you want your skin to be young, you need to add some habits into your routine besides anti-aging creams. According to experts, some foods take care of our skin from the inside out. Let's see. Avocado. It is rich in oleic acid, a fatty acid omega-9 that retains the humidity in the external layers of the skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. Watermelon. Watermelon is full of lycopene, an antioxidant that makes it red. The fruit helps avoid the damages of UV rays on the skin, and scientists believe that eating watermelon helps strengthen the sun protection factor, although it doesn't substitute sunscreen. Blueberry. This berry contains vitamin C and E, two antioxidants that work together in lightening the skin and preventing the damages of free radicals. Nuts. Nuts, Brazil nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, and hazelnuts are rich in vitamin E, which protects and repairs the skin. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Eat orange fruits and vegetables like carrots, papaya, mango, bell pepper, sweet potato, and pumpkin. These foods are a beta-carotene source, which fights the effects of UVA and UVB rays and boosts your tan. Remember to moderate your consumption of caffeine and alcohol. Coffee ages and stains the skin while alcohol dries it, making the wrinkles more noticeable and favoring the appearance of new ones. More important yet, drink plenty of water. Your hydration must be plentiful since water keeps the skin healthy, beautiful, and helps clean toxins. As you can see, a diet rich in antioxidants is necessary, but so is avoiding harmful habits, like industrialized foods full of salt and sugar and a sedentary lifestyle. Talk to a doctor or nutritionist to help you adjust your diet to your individual nutritional needs. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.